7 of 13 in a grid. In main menu.
Excuse me. If you want to turn off this annoying voice on Roku, this voice command, I'll show you how to do it. So you might have actually switched TVs or put your Roku on a different device, and for some reason it resets that option. So I want to show you how to turn off this annoying voice.
In main menu.
And yes, I put annoying in the title of this video, which is appropriate. So what you want to do is on your remote is you're going to go to Home first.
Menu, home button,
yes, I know, you're annoying.
Items.
Stop, I know you're annoying. So you go to Home, and then you go all the way down
Featured free search
to where you go to Settings.
In main menu.
So from Settings, shut up. So from Settings, you're going to go all the way down to. You can go all the way down to Accessibility. Right there.
Button, 5 of 13.
And then you're going to go over to the right.
Inaccessibility.
And then you're going to go to Screen Reader.
Screen Reader.
And yes,
4 of 7.
We're going to shut her off forever.
Speech rate.
Oh crap! Hold on.
Screen Reader.
On. Off.
Right. Screen Reader disabled.
Okay, now is she off? Please God. Please be off.